Hey guys, I'm Marina with Marina Santos Fit, and I'm here with BodyRock, and we're gonna be doing a 21-day challenge for you guys. I'm so excited to be here. It's gonna be really fun. Today is day one. We're going to be doing a full body workout. So we're going to be doing 4 exercises, and we're gonna do them for 50 seconds each, resting for 10 seconds, and we're going to repeat for 3 times. So it's going to be 12 minutes total. And today I'm wearing the 6-pound vest from BodyRock, so we're gonna add some resistance. We're also gonna add some dumbbells for one of the exercises. So it's going to be an awesome workout, and I can't wait to do it with you. All right, guys. First exercise we're going to do, very simple. It's going to be jump rope. So you don't need to have a jump rope. If you do, you can use it, but you don't have to. So we're just gonna start in place. We're gonna jump rope. You can bring your knees high, you can open, close, you can just run in place, whatever you want. Just make sure you're moving your arms too. We want to get the heart rate up. The next exercise we're going to do is a sumo squat with upright row. So we're gonna grab dumbbells that are comfortable for you. We're gonna open our legs wider than our hips, hold our dumbbells low with our shoulders low, and when we go down, we're gonna bring our shoulders up. Our elbows up, I should say, and down. So one move, working the entire body. Okay, then next we're going to do a open close squat. So we're gonna start with our legs closed. We're gonna do 1 step to the right, squat, come back to the middle, squat with our legs closed, and then to the left. And we're just gonna move right here. Up, down, up, down. Last but not least we're going to do a straight leg ab. So we're gonna lay down with our legs straight. We're gonna extend our arms above our head. We're gonna pull ourselves up using our core, touch our toes, and come back down. Very simple, but very effective. And if you can't touch your toes, not a problem. Just go as far as you can, okay guys? So these are the 4 exercises we're going to be doing, and I have my timer ready, and we're ready to get started. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay. Like I said, we're gonna do 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off. And we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Right here, we're gonna jump rope, pump your arms the whole time. We're just gonna get our heart rate up. Make sure you're focusing on your breathing. Get those knees up high if you can. If not a problem at all. Just stay jumping in place or just run in place. All right, we have 20 more seconds here. I'm gonna get my knees high and moving your arms. We wanna warm up our entire body here. Almost there, guys. Keep it up. You are doing great. 10 more seconds. Almost there. Focus on your breathing. Get those knees high up. And we're gonna relax. 10 seconds only. Take a deep breath. Whoop. Fix this. We're gonna get our dumbbells, and we're gonna start sumo squat with upright row. Your toes are pointing about a 45-degree angle here. There you go. Really get low here. You're doing amazing. Keep it up, guys. You should be feeling your whole body on this exercise. Your booty is burning. Your inner thighs are burning, your shoulders. You're almost there. We have 10 more seconds. Keep going. 2, 1, and relax. Woo. Next, we're gonna do open and close squat. Let's get in position, deep breath, and let's go. So open, then in the middle, and then on the left. You're gonna really feel your legs burning here. Really push your booty back and get as low as you can. We have 20 more seconds. Keep it up. Don't give up. You get tired, you slow down a little bit, that's fine. But you don't stop. We got 5 seconds, that's it. Breathe, embrace the burn, and relax. Shake your legs. Next, we're gonna do the straight leg abs. So we're gonna lay down, arms above our head. We're gonna pull ourselves up using our core, touch the toes, and back down. Really squeeze your core when you come up here. You know, don't yank your arm to pull yourself up. Your arm is just there to get that extension when you go down. You are doing amazing. We have 20 more seconds here. Breathe. And if you want, you can even add a dumbbell here to make it even harder. Just hold the dumbbell above your head and touch your toes. Keep it up. Relax. So that's one time through. We're gonna do it 2 more times. So next, we're gonna jump rope again. Ready? And let's go. Second time through. You warmed up now. So let's push even harder here. Get those knees high. If you need to, just jump in place, not a problem. Just don't stop. Make sure you're rotating those arms. And if you have a jump rope, you can actually use that, like I said. I don't have one with me right now, and that's fine. All right, we have 10 more seconds, that's it. Keep going. You're almost there. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Whew. Keep kicking my mat here. Gonna grab my dumbbells, and we're gonna do the Sumo Squat with Upright Row. Ready? And down, bring the dumbbells up, and up. Focus on your breathing. Keep going. It's only 12 minutes, that's it. You can do it. You know, and you can use any dumbbells that you need or you can, okay? Doesn't matter if it's 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 10 pounds. As long as you're adding a little bit of resistance, you get results. Just gotta push. We have 5 seconds. And relax. All right, whole body's burning. We're gonna do squats again. Ready? Let's go. Open, close, open. You are doing amazing. Keep up the great work and embrace the burn. Don't stop here. You're almost there. Your booty should be burning, which is great. Means you're working hard. We got 10 seconds. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Great job, guys. Last exercise of this circuit. We're gonna do straight leg abs again. Let's lay down and bring it back up. Touch your toes and go back down. And really squeeze your core the whole time you're doing this, even on your way down, especially. So you get the extension on your abs and your muscles. All right, we have 25 seconds left. Don't give up. Keep going, keep pushing. You can do this. The weighted vest is great because it adds some resistance without having to hold anything, so it's great. Touch your toes. We're almost done, last one. And great job. We're gonna do the circuit one more time through. Catch your breath for a second, and we're gonna get started, okay? Jump roping. Last time through, give it your all. Let's go. Give it your all here. Last time. Non-stop. Feel your body burn. You're almost there. Last time we're doing jump rope. Move those arms. We got 20 seconds. Breathe. We're almost done. You are doing amazing. Keep up. We have 3 seconds left. Let's go. And relax. Whew. Catch your breath. Gonna get the dumbbells again. And last time for sumo squats. Bring your legs and down. Great job. Keep it up. Really get low here. Don't stop. You got this. I know it's hard, and that's okay. Let's go. You're almost done. Keep up. You can do this. We got 15 seconds left. Whew. It's getting heavier and heavier. Let's go. You're doing amazing. And put the dumbbells to the side. Last time doing open close squat. Ready? Catch my breath. And let's go. Open, close, open. Great job. Whew. Sweaty. You are doing so great. So proud of you. Don't give up. We're almost done. Don't stop. Like I said, if you need to modify, if you need to slow down, that's fine. There's no problem in that. Just don't quit. Keep going. We got 5 seconds. That's it. Almost done. And relax. Whew. My legs are jello. We're gonna go do straight leg abs next. Last exercise, so give it your all. Let's go. Whew. Touch your toes and back down. Focus on your breathing. You are doing amazing. Really squeeze your entire core here. Keep everything tight when you put yourself up. You're almost done. This is the last exercise of day 1. You got this. Touch your toes. Almost done. Make sure you take your arms all the way back. Touch your toes. And we're done, guys. Amazing job. You guys did awesome. So proud of you. There you go. You did an amazing job. Uh-oh, it's going again. I don't know how to stop it. Got it. All right, keep going. You did an amazing job. I have a workout for 21 days, and I want you with me the whole time through, okay? I look forward to seeing you guys. I'm Marina with BodyRock, and I'm so happy to be working out with you.